This is Kiarna and Mckenzie from Fernhill Youth, and they're going to explain to us what they enjoy about Youth Week. So go ahead, girls.
I enjoyed the trips because they were really fun, and I also enjoy the workers, especially Joni, she's my favourite. I also like coming here because I see all my friends here, and yeah, it's really fun place to be.
Cool, thank you.
I enjoy coming to youth because I like the trips and all my friends here, and I love seeing Hannah every Tuesday.
So what has Youth Week done for you then, girls?
It made me happy,
And it brought up my confidence speaking to people, and you can speak about your issues here.
and it makes me come here and feel excited.
So what does youth mean to you, girls?
It means I can come here and feel safe because all my friends are here.
It makes me feel like accepted, and I love coming here because all my friends come here. So.
And Hannah's here.
Thanks, girls.